start making easy green beans curry. This video for today, I'm making beans, Baguio beans curry. So that is vegetable curry. So ikakat lang natin yung dulo guys and cut into two like this. Is like that. Kakat lang natin yung is going to easy is doing like this and cut the edge to edge and cut in the middle, just cut in half like this and then like that. So that is I'm going just only to make it continue guys. It's going like this and then see you later guys. So this is it guys. I'm going to wash this first. I wash these beans and then I make it curry beans later. So see you later guys. Start na tayo magluto ng curry beans guys. Vegetable guys. Add the oil. Add the curry paste. Here's the curry paste. Ipa-fry lang natin ito. I use like this by Red Cowers. You can buy in supermarket. That is curry paste. I try a little bit and the oil. Add the beans that I cut. And then add the chicken cubes guys. One chicken cube and like this. To add the milk, 100 ml, not much. Mag-add lang tayo ng pepper, salt, and add the oyster sauce. So let it to boil guys. I-boil lang natin ito until the beans is done. It's going to cook like this. To make it make it well until the curry paste to absorb all these beans. This is curry vegetable guys. This is my own version. But it look like so yummy. Then Baguio beans or beans, it's this thick a little bit cooked. It's like this. So this is my beans guys. Hi. So let cook fresh a little bit and then see you later. That is my curry beans. Is listing done guys like this. So what I'm going to do, I add bell pepper and I add spring onion and see the sauce is going to dry already and make all this together guys. That is yummy. I tried this one. It's good. And that is it. And eating time, guys. Yummy.